Umindri rong ba kajala ukonrat ki sangma ulaong ban na kalyang jong ka Sorkar kadyale kat bala ban pentikna ya ka Jingsuk shngan ki Dkhot jong ka Hnlc la dawan rung ha kajala banya kendu ha ka mi Ïakren ulaong ba Kadei Kamram jong ka Sorkar ban pentikna ya ka bha ka mian jong ki Dkhot baro ki bala jit ban kiyo ha ka mi Ïakren ya sung Umindri rong ba lo pentikna ba ka Sorkar ka sngam ya ka jingdawa jong ki Dkhot jong ka Hnlc khamtam e halor ka Jingsuk shngan jong ki Dkhon.
They have expressed their concerns on the security, and let me assure them and everybody that it is the duty of the government to ensure that the safety of each and everybody who comes for the talks is maintained. And all the discussions we have had in terms of the entire process has led to this moment, and we are hopeful that very soon the official talks will start. And this exercise has been going on for the last many months, I should say, and I can't go into details about everything, but as I said, we are hopeful that talks will start soon. And most importantly is that we also are positive that we will be able to come out with the successful talks, and we will do our best to do that, to reach those conclusion. But let me assure everybody that all the concerns that have been raised by the members of the Hnlc, those concerns will be obviously addressed, and concerns in the sense the safety issues will be addressed, and we will ensure that all steps are taken to ensure their safety.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.